Okay, Module 3, F3-1. Here we go. First step's always your free body diagram. I've already drawn the picture over here. This is going to be of ring A, so there. And you'll get C there. That's a 3, 4, 5 triangle. D is downwards. Let me rewrite these as FD into FC, and then FB will be in this direction. That's an angle of 30 degrees. And FD it already gives us, which is 550. From there, the next step is components. FCX would equal, so that would be 4 over 5 times itself. And then FCY would equal itself times 3/5. FBX would be negative because it's acting backwards. Cosine, because it's adjacent to the x of 30 times itself. And then FBY is going to be positive, and then sine because it's opposite of the 30 times itself. FD only acts in the y direction, so FDY equals negative 550 pounds, and then FDX equals 0. After we do that, next step is equations of equilibrium. Start out with the summation of forces in the x direction. So that'll be 4/5 FC, and then minus cosine of 30 FB equals 0. So apply that down to 4/5 FC equals cosine 30 FB. From there we figure out we can, we can determine that FC equals .083 FB. Once we do that, we do summation of forces in the y direction. So that'll be 3/5 FC plus sine of 30 FB. Minus 550 equals 0. We're going to set 3/5 FC plus sine of 30 FB equal to 550. And then we're going to take this value from earlier and plug it into FC right here. So 3/5, 1.83 FB plus sine of 30 FB equals 550. And then we would add the b's. So give me a second to calculate that. 3, 5. From there, I got 1.4. Actually, it rounds up, so 1.50 5b equals 550. Divide 550 by 1.150 to get FB is equal to 478.3 pounds. And then we can plug back this, oops, dang it. And then plug this value back into there to get that FC is equal to 517, and it rounds up again, 518.0 pounds. FC equals 518 pounds, box that. FB for boxing goes to 478, and then we already knew that FD was equal to 550.